product, and yes, it is indeed authentic. And as you can see, it has the what do you call this? The code thingy. Yeah, I've checked it, and it's authentic. This video won't have much editing because I don't have a laptop with me, so I have to bear the the long and unedited video. Of course, I have to cut the video to make it shorter rather. So here it is. Ooh, looks fancy. Look at this. This one. It says here that use several times a day. So how many times exactly? Like 2 to 3 times a day, or it depends. It depends on how much I want it, or how many times I wanted to use this. I don't know. So yeah, so I'm gonna use it tonight, and we'll see after a week if there's any difference. I will post an honest review for this after a week, because in person you can see a lot of scars on my face. So I will review based on how I see the difference before and after, and I will post it here, and I'll make another video. So again, I'll be using this tonight. I'm starting tonight, and we'll see if this thing really works. Hopefully it'll work, because as you can see, I have so many scars on my face. So that would be it. So that's all for tonight, and thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, reaction, suggestions, or whatever you wanted to say, as long as you say something. So thank you so much, and you have a great night. So peace.